welcome everybody to Apogee 2023.
When you can see it in real time and you can feel that raw emotion in the audience, I think that's just fantastic.
They always say it takes a village. And when I look at every success that WatchGuard had, you are our village.
It's like family.
We don't go anywhere without you.
The partner community is who we build for.
The one partner that I feel like has my back more than anybody else.
They're trying to enable the channel more than just about anybody I know.
Commitment to the partner, the commitment to the end clients, delivering the products and services.
They're all helping you deliver on that MSP playbook.
If you can become the outsourcing agent for security for your customers, you'll win.
Everything came by the hand of WatchGuard.
Especially in our two largest geographies, EMEA and the Americas, incredible growth.
Pick the customer that is best for you and stick to it. Do not compromise. And never, never underestimate the value and impact of trust.
Seeing and feeling the passion when we see the product managers on stage talking about what they've been working on and what the future is going to look like.
Really what's fueling both of our success.
Because that's where the magic happens. It's all about the future.
They genuinely get the needs in the market. They are kind of people's firewall.
Because if you're better together, you're delivering security more efficiently, but also you're saving cost for you and for us and for the end customer as well.
The secret sauce that makes it work.
The only vendor relationship I've ever had that deep emotional connection with.
That partner loyalty is a tangible thing here. It is incredibly unique, and I just want to thank all you guys.